I love watching woodpeckers in New York City, and there's many woodpecker species that reside here all year long. You can see here the red-bellied woodpecker can be quite territorial. People often mistake the red-bellied woodpecker with the red-headed woodpecker, but the red-headed woodpecker was named first. Here you can distinctly see the pinkish wash on this bird's belly. It's hard to make out at times. The red-headed woodpecker has been called a flying checkerboard, and it has an entirely crimson head, black wings, and white wingtips. Here's a picture of a red-headed woodpecker that I took in April 2025 at Greenwood Cemetery in Brooklyn.